Just climbed a big mountain, but the waterfall's got to be at the bottom of the mountain. So that's a nice house. I see a concrete path. This was made for a reason. Oh, I could have rode down. Waterfall? How far?
50 meters.
50 meters. He rode down there. I should have rode down here maybe. 50 meters. Howdy. So I got outsmarted on this one. Waterfall. Freaking cool. Hello. Too big. Going to the too big. It's crazy, man. I wouldn't have made it any farther than this. I guess that's a street. Walking through the jungle with my dick in my hand. Looked up in a tree, what did I see? A mad monkey throwing shit on me. Oh shit. I smell it. Oh, my motorbike's still there when I get back. Hello! Looking for the waterfall, the too big.
Yeah.
How much farther? How far?
Far.
Far? I need to learn the language. Man, if you live back here, I doubt if there's anybody even charge you to live back here. Just come back here and build something. A freaking store. Hello, puppy dog. Hello. No. Don't bite me. You can get dog bit here, snake bit, anaconda bit. Something bites you out here. Oh, fuck. Where the hell am I? There's water. Hello. Howdy. Waterfall down this way? How much farther?
10 minutes walk.
Holy moly. Okay. 10 more minutes. I think this is why nobody comes down here. Nice. Hello. Trying to get to the waterfall. Yeah. Hello. Going to too big. Too big. Too big. Almost got bit by a dog. Easy now. Easy. All right, thank you, sir. Very helpful people. I hear it. Getting close. Oh man. Yeah. Oh man, it just cooled off 25 degrees. Holy shit. This ain't gonna be able to. I'll bust my ass here. May not get to see a waterfall. I gotta risk life and limb. Ah, that looks slick as shit. Head in the right direction. Oh. Well, I have to go swimming. Oh, through this shit. Oh, too big. People live back here, man. Skeeters. Ebola. Fucking get ate by a tiger out here. This is crazy, man. Why don't they build a road? Ah. Ha ha. I made it. Hello. Whoa, be careful. Hello. Be careful. Can I vlog you? Can I vlog you? Take a picture? Where do you get in the water at? Where do you get in the water?
Yeah.
Where you get in?
This is beautiful.
Is this the waterfall?
Yes.
I thought it was 120 feet. Okay, I'm going swimming. When I walk this far, I'm getting in the water. Hello. Where do you get in the water at? Where do you swim? Down here? Oh yeah, I can get in there. Ha ha, I made it. Looky there, adventure, explore. Any game of whoa!